How you doing, folks? My name is Michael Mara. I'm coming to you today from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. We're on our brand new 2027 22-foot Scout. This is a new model. We'll start back here in the cockpit. As you see, there's a nice fold-out bench. This boat is powered by a Mercury 200 V6. It's a nice, simple motor to operate. This is you can check your oil, your fill, and your dips right there. If you look over here, we have a live well, and they put a plexiglass panel in there so you can see the condition of your bait, or you can also use it as storage. Scout also incorporated a few cup holders back here, as well as 4 rod holders out the stern, and then behind the helm seat you have another 4 rod holders with 3 more cup holders, and then you have your igloo underneath. Going forward, this boat comes equipped with their touchscreen Garmin. All your switching, everything's forward and very simple to use, including your Fusion stereo system, and your Garmin VHF is up top. This is Mercury digital throttle and shift with a push button start, and your trim tabs, everything's right here. Very simple to use. Also, you can mount your cell phone right here, and you can have your phone charging as you're out on the water for the day and connect it to your stereo through Bluetooth. The helm seat is bolstered, so on both sides it's separated up and down. It does have a glassed-in fiberglass T-top with your speakers molded in, with 4 more rocket launchers out the top. So just in the back you have room for 12 rods on the back of the 22-footer. If you're coming out this way, you can look down here, and there's a head, which is a nice feature to have for a 22-foot boat. And one of my favorite parts about the boat is all the room you get up on the bow. You have a coffin box seat right here where you can sit 2 people with their legs up, and then another 2 to 3 people around the front of the bow as well. And then a nice finished anchor locker, and there is a plug here ready if you do want to add a trolling motor down the road. If you'd like to come see this boat or schedule an appointment to come see this boat, please give us a call at 609-926-0600. Again, my name is Michael Mara. We look forward to seeing you on the water.